so we're on our little day out. Go and have a play and see what we can find.
Play with the drones and the cameras.
Yeah, play with the drones, cameras. I've had my little Neo 2 for a while, not bothered using it. The last time we used it was in Wales, which was in March. Haven't used it since. Haven't used it since. Beats effing and blind at other drivers.
He was halfway over the fucking white line. If I'd have been out in position 3 then, I should have been up the corner.
You'd have been cooking out.
You'd have fucking taken me out.
Yeah. So yeah, just testing out mic locations for Pete's audio before we go down the route of buying an extra. And just having a good day out in the box. And we'll see what we come up with.
I think my main focus today is to try the camera in different areas and capture different footage, like the ride-bys with the camera on the ground, drone bits, and then because that gives us a different way of capturing from different locations on the bike,
yeah,
off the bike. And then I can play with the editing, see how I like it, and go, okay, I really like how that looks. All of that, taking a rank on that particular.
Yeah.
Like the camera being down stationary and while it's passing.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to getting to have a meet-up coffee morning with Blaine and then go for a ride, because I know he's done a lot of the tech stuff. He enjoys it, and they're always out doing bits of it.
Yeah.
So he'd be a cool one, and the fact he's on a big bike as well. He's not one of these can't use big bikes. He's the one on the big red Africa Twin.
A tank full of dog. Oh, a tank full of dog. From a quiet in my chest to the first gravel kick, I fold up the map and I take the risk. Mud on my boots and the dust on my sleeves. I go where the road bends, I go where it leaves. Old ghosts in the rear view can keep their cold shine. There's a whole lot of living waiting out past the line. Oh, from the road to the dirt, let the open sky call with the wind in my face and no promise at all. I'm not looking for glory, just a place I can breathe, just a little more distance between myself and me. So look through my eyes as the wide world moves on. I've got a heavy old wish, Santa, a tank full of dog. A tank full of dog. Far past the border where the pavement runs thin, I hear my own name in the engines again. Let the towns fall back, let the daylight break. Maybe this is the only way I know how to stay
Someone down to sweep it, yeah.
I know, really. We'll send the sweeper brush down and pick up all the stones and shit.
Big old dragonflies fucking hit me in the face.
They like you today, don't they?
I think he's dead.